Video 2.2, Try it yourself, editing HTML element values in the DOM inspector. In this Try it yourself exercise, we'll use Firebug's DOM inspector to modify HTML element values on the fly. We can continue working on the completed practice file from video 2.1. As a reminder, the starter file was in the Hour 2 directory in the book's code listings archive. The file name is hour0202.html. In Aptana Studio, we'll verify that the code issues that we found in the previous Try It Yourself exercise are resolved. Press Ctrl+S to save, and then let's run the file in Firefox on our development web server. We'll then expose Firebug as usual, make sure that the HTML tab is exposed, and then we'll expand HTML, body, and unordered list. Notice as we browse through the code and hover over with our mouse, in the top pane on the live page, we see those associated elements highlighted. We'll select the first LI node, and on the right side, we'll click the tab for the document object model, or DOM. We'll scroll down to find the first child node, expand it, and we'll observe that this is a text node element. We can modify this data on the fly by coming down to the data field, double left clicking, and then making a change. Here I'm going to add the word trilogy to Lord of the Rings. I'll then press Enter, and you'll notice that that updates on the live page here in my browser. Now when I say live page, this is the page as it exists in my local browser cache. If we were to reload the page, which I'll do now, because the actual underlying HTML code is still untouched in Aptana Studio, any change that you make here in Firebug is only temporary for testing purposes. It's as easy as that to manipulate any editable attribute of your HTML nodes.